It is against the law to enter an intersection when A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. B. The light is flashing yellow and you didn't stop first. C. The light is yellow. Answer. A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. What is a safety zone? A. An empty lane next to the freeway dividers. B. The median strip on a divided highway. C. A space set aside for pedestrians. Answer. C. A space set aside for pedestrians. Before you change lanes, you should A. Lightly tap your brakes to signal other drivers. B. Signal so that you have the right of way. C. Look over your shoulder. Answer. C. Look over your shoulder. You sold your vehicle. You must notify ____ within 5 days. A. Your insurance company. B. Your automobile club. C. DMV. Answer. C. DMV. Which of the following could best contribute to improve traffic flow? A. Using public transportation. B. Raising the speed limit. C. Eliminating the space cushion. Answer. A. Using public transportation. Pedestrians at comers have the right of way. A. Only at controlled intersections. B. Only when a crosswalk is painted on the street. C. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. Answer. C. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. A traffic light is red, but a peace officer is telling you to go ahead. What? A. Do as the officer tells you. B. Wait for the green light. C. Changes lanes and drives slowly. Answer. A. Do as the officer tells you. You just rear-ended the car in front of you. You were probably A. Weaving in and out of traffic. B. Following too closely. C. Looking in your rear-view mirror too often. Answer. B. Following too closely. The handbook recommends signaling for at least ____ seconds before changing lanes on a freeway. A. 5. B. 7. C. 3. Answer. A. 5. Which of the following is true about double parking? A. It is illegal under all circumstances. B. It is illegal unless you wait in the vehicle. C. It is allowed if you are making a delivery. Answer. A. It is illegal under all circumstances. A person can ride in the back of a pickup truck when the A. Sides of the pickup bed are at least 24 inches high. B. Pickup bed has a seat bolted to the frame. C. Back of the pickup is equipped with a restraint seat belt system. Answer. C. Back of the pickup is equipped with a restraint seat belt system. A green painted curb means A. Passenger loading or unloading area. B. Stopping or parking for a limited time only. C. Parking for emergency vehicles only. Answer. B. Stopping or parking for a limited time only. You want to park uphill but there is no curb. Which way do you turn your front wheels? A. Parallel to the road. B. Towards the side of the road. C. Towards the center of the road. Answer. B. Towards the side of the road. When can you cross a solid double yellow line to pass another vehicle? A. Under no circumstances. B. When you know there are no cars coming towards you. C. When a slow-moving vehicle refuses to use a turnout lane. Answer. A. Under no circumstances. The speed limit for a school zone where children are present is ____ unless otherwise posted. A. 15 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 20 miles per hour. Answer. B. 25 miles per hour. Should you drive slower than other traffic? A. No, you can block traffic when you drive too slowly. B. Yes, it makes the other traffic drive slower also. C. Yes, it is safer than driving too fast. Answer. A. No, you can block traffic when you drive too slowly. This sign means A. Right lane ends ahead. B. One-way street traffic to the right. C. Turn right at the corner. Answer. B. One-way street traffic to the right. You want to park uphill but there is no curb. Which way do you turn your front wheels? A. Parallel to the road. B. Right towards the side of the road. C. Left towards the center of the road. Answer. B. Right towards the side of the road. One way to know you are in a truck's blind spot is if A. You stay close to the vehicle's right front wheel. B. You can't see the truck driver in the vehicle's side mirrors. C. You follow no closer than 6 feet. Answer. B. You can't see the truck driver in the vehicle's side mirrors. This sign means A. Make a complete stop before turning. B. The driver on the right goes first. C. All other drivers go first. Answer. C. All other drivers go first. It is against the law to enter an intersection when A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. B. The light is flashing yellow and you didn't stop first. C. The light is yellow. Answer. A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. This sign means A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. B. Yield to oncoming traffic. C. The road ahead is closed to traffic in all directions. Answer. A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. When should a 3-year-old weighing 45 lbs be placed in a safety seat? A. Under all circumstances. B. Only if the child in the front seat. C. Only if the child is in the back seat. Answer. A. Under all circumstances. You must look for bicycle riders in the same lanes used by motor vehicles because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Have the right of way. C. Are entitled to share the road with you. Answer. C. Are entitled to share the road with you. You may cross a solid double yellow line to A. Enter a privet driveway. B. Overtake and pass another vehicle. C. Make a U-turn if it is safe. Answer. A. Enter a privet driveway. Blocking an intersection during rush hour traffic is A. Permitted if the light is green. B. Not permitted under any circumstances. C. Not permitted unless you have the right of way. Answer. B. Not permitted under any circumstances. This sign means A. Medical services ahead. B. Signal ahead. C. Another road crosses. Answer. C. Another road crosses. This lane is used to A. Pass other vehicle when traffic permits. B. Make right turns when traffic permits. C. Begin or end left turns when traffic permits. Answer. C. Begin or end left turns when traffic permits. A pedestrian crossing at a corner has the right of way. A. Only at controlled intersections. B. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. C. Only when a crosswalk is painted on the street. Answer. B. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Stop and let all other vehicles go first. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Wait for the green light before entering. Answer. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. Bicycle riders must A. Ride in the direction of traffic. B. Ride facing traffic. C. Ride on the sidewalk if there is no bike lane. Answer. A. Ride in the direction of traffic. Driving under the influence of any drug which makes you drive unsafely is permitted. A. Under no circumstances. B. If it is an over-the-counter medication. C. If it is prescribed by a physician. Answer. A. Under no circumstances. When may you legally go around or under a railroad crossing gate? A. When you can see clearly in both directions. B. If the crossing gates are malfunctioning. C. Under no circumstances. Answer. C. Under no circumstances. Which of these statements is true about blind spots? A. You only need to turn and look over your right shoulder for lane changes to the right or left. B. Look over your right shoulder for a right lane change and your left shoulder for a left lane change. C. Vehicles with two outside mirrors do not have blind spots. Answer. B. Look over your right shoulder for a right lane change and your left shoulder for a left lane change. When can you drive using only your parking lights? A. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Not under any circumstances. C. On foggy days. Answer. B. Not under any circumstances.